guys, so this video is going to be about my iJoseLux hair. And look, I cut off myself. Why would I do that? Such a weird thing to do. So now I'm legit in a semi-squat talking to you. Workout goals. But yeah, so I'm in my iJoseLux hair, and thank God I'm in this hair, because y'all know I was rocking a short wig for a minute, almost literally, but I don't mind it because that wig is going to be in so many other videos. I'm like, bruh, guys, when I say this hair, look at it, it's so long. It's so long and nice. I love it so much. I love it. I love my iJoseLux hair, man. And we didn't hot water it. I'm going to hot water it probably 2 days from now. I don't know. I hope I'm back in focus. I really hope so. But I'm going to hot water it probably a couple days from now. But this is probably 30 inches. And the hair, you guys, comes in these beautiful, if you follow me on Snapchat, you'd have seen it. These beautiful golden drawstring bags with her logo, with her on it, and then her logo, and then some cute wings with her at the back. I'm like, come on, Issa, can you killing them, Bobo? You killing them. I am just like, thank God. Thank God, finally I can say I have one ear or coming like the Mali ear and the Yaman, but it way blood cleanse better. The ear can go blood cleanse longer and it light. When I say the ear light, because normally I tell you say the ear light, with the yarn ear, the light, I was having a weight panic, I say, and the yarn locks, no, the yarn twist and the yarn locks, I'm going to tell you no, the little bit lighter than the yarn twist, but that one, yeah, y'all, it, and my message her on Snapchat, I say it's okay, the ear never feel like goodie. Why? Look at it, and then because of the color, it just lightens up my face, right? You guys, I'm legit in love. Like, I go to the hill and I want my hair to be up, because when I'm running, I can't, because then I get frustrated and probably pull them out of my head. So I don't want me to braid it down the back. But I am in love with this iJoseLux hair, and I feel like this video is just going to be like, I'm so in love, I'm so in love. But let me give it a review. So as I said, we didn't hot water it. It has not been hot watered, and this is what flexibility is for having not been hot watered. Oh my God, look at me. I'm Princess Leia from the movie with the aliens and stuff. Okay, yeah, so we did not hot water it. It is very long. Hold on. It is very long. See how long it is? This is the length I've always wanted for my plaits, for my twists, for my dreads, for my... I love this length, and the reason why I always want this length is because I said it's okay in this length. That girl knows how to sell her products, alright? Because she got a girl buying it hook, line, and sinker. Am I adjusted? More a little bit more my top for sure. Yeah, so I don't know, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. I really don't, you guys. I mean, what more do you want? It's like braiding hair. I don't know what you want, but go to iJoseLux.com and you can figure it out. Remember when I wore that gray hair? It was from iJoseLux. And this hair now is from iJoseLux. And remember, I have not hot watered it. This has not been hot watered. I did it yesterday, and today is today, and I have not watered it. I don't know when I'm going to water it, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this new look. I'm eager to see how long I can keep it in for, because I can't keep on braids beyond 3 weeks, because my real hair starts to lock at the root, because I guess because of the whole twisting, my hair locks easy. Even when I do sew-ins, my hair locks easily. Like when it's cornrowed, like after 2.5 weeks it begins to mat up and all that stuff. Like my hair is so, my natural hair is so high maintenance, I'm annoyed with it. I'm completely annoyed. But yeah, so this is the hair, the iJoseLux hair. This is what it looks like. And look guys, I have edges. I've been using my Joshe hair serum on my edges, and they've been coming back, because you guys, you know, the struggle was real with my edges, bubble, real with my edges, and they're back. And I was so surprised when she was able to braid like here. I'm like, you're catching it, and she could have caught these right here, but I'm like, no, part it out. So yeah, so I don't really have much to say. The hair can come in 30, let me tell you, because you know with these type of hair, yeah, they come in almost like we call them like strips, kind of like, and we use 4 strips for each strand. But next time I do this twist, I want to do it same length, but I want to do probably 8 twists because I want them to be a little bit bigger, so I can even double test the weight. So I'm gonna probably, I bought on the site to have different sets that you can buy. Say you buy 7 bundles for like $100 and something, I think, or $25 per bundle, I don't remember, but you have it like that, and that's what I do. I just bought the bundle and I was like, gosh, I was like, it's okay now, how much hair in that picture that you have up? I just say, yo, the 7 bundle thing. I was like, oh crap, I hope that works. Alright, so yeah, send me that. So when I did that, it worked. It worked. So the 7 of them in my hair, nothing is left back, because I'm sure guys, may I get so maga. My wedding ring I drop off of my aunt when I get maga. Like I'm legit, look, like I can't hold, oh, it's stuck. Today I was just holding it with my hand and they kept on sliding off, because the girl be losing weight, you know, when you're 20 pounds lighter, you know, things tend to fall off the boat. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Yeah, so yes, I just bought the bundles, the bundle deal or the cluster deal or whatever you call it, and yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did. I don't know, that's what I did. And I didn't tell you guys before, but I have a special guest I want to introduce you to this video. You've probably seen already, but damn, my collarbones, they just popped into say hi. They too love the iJoseLux hair. Can you guys tell I'm happy? Can you tell I'm like over the moon happy? It's just like everything is not falling into place. It's not going how I want it to, but I am content. No, this very minute I'm content, you know, just filming. My son is in the other room giving grandma hell, I'm sure, watching the fans a couple minutes before this. It's just like, wow, you know, can't complain. I mean, stuff not going how I want it to, you know, but God, and these are the things make me happy. Doing my hair makes me happy. Doing my nails makes me happy. Putting on makeup makes me happy. Like the simplest things make me happy. It's not even a joke. It just makes me happy. I think it's because I miss my husband. I think that's why I feel so like back and forth, like I'm so emotional. But anyway, that's at the point. Ooh, this got dark. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And iJoseLux on Instagram, iJoseLux.com. And yeah, it's a can boo. You find it goodie. You think shell. You think stink. You think crab up. You think turn up. Yes, boo, yes.